Coffee begins as a fruit, grown under specific conditions. Only ripe cherries produce quality coffee. Harvesting is often done by hand. Selection directly affects final flavor.
Harvest timing directly affects flavor quality.
Harvested coffee moves to processing. Fresh cherries must be processed quickly. Processing removes the fruit layer. Density helps separate quality beans. Washing removes remaining residue. Processing shapes coffee character. Moisture must now be reduced. After processing, coffee seeds must be dried. Airflow removes moisture evenly. Turning prevents uneven drying. Moisture levels steadily decrease. Dried seeds are now green coffee beans. Green coffee beans move to milling. Milling prepares green coffee beans for grating. Hulling removes the protective parchment layer. Polishing removes remaining residue.
This step ensures only clean beans move forward.
Grating improves consistency during roasting. Grated beans are ready for roasting. Roasting applies controlled heat to green coffee beans. Beans enter the roaster at a precise temperature. Moisture evaporates during early roasting.
Heat and timing determine flavor development.
Chemical reactions create aroma and flavor.
Cooling stops the roasting process. Freshly roasted coffee beans release trapped gases. Carbon dioxide slowly escapes after roasting. Resting allows flavors to stabilize. Time plays a critical role here. Rested beans are ready for use. Grinding prepares coffee for extraction. Whole beans are reduced by mechanical force. Burrs create uniform particle sizes. ground coffee exits the grinder. Consistency affects extraction. Ground coffee moves to brewing. Brewing begins with ground coffee and water. Hot water activates extraction. Soluble compounds dissolve into the liquid. Time controls extraction balance. Extraction ends when balance is reached.
Brewed coffee is ready to drink.
The journey ends in everyday moments.
Careful preparation meets consumption.
Flavor is experienced in quiet moments.